Hello, hi, my name's Kevin. I'm with Grubbs Garage. Hey, thanks for taking a look at another one of my videos. If you've taken a look at these videos for a little while, trying to grow my site a little bit, and if you like what I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share it with people, and that will help get this bike and all the other ones I build to the other fans that enjoy looking at these old Hondas. Anyway, this is my 1982 Honda cb900f. I did a full appearance restoration on this bike for a customer. It's a very nice bike. We went through and restored it back to the OEM original condition, except for the wheels. I made a little change on the style on that. This bike was all redone with House of Color paints. It is a 900F, which was a 1982 model. I went through it. I tried to use as many of the original stuff as I possibly could, but then went back through and of course turned it into this beautiful bike. The 900s had the dual piston calipers on the front, which you can see here. They're all been redone there, nice and clean. It's a dual piston caliper there, and there's two of them on the front. Stop in the front there, and there's one disc brake there in the back on the 900F. But you can see I kind of painstakingly went through it and took it down to the frame, and just brought it back as much as I could to the original condition. All the aluminum was polished. I did have to source an original exhaust system. Those exhaust systems are not very easy to find anymore, especially ones that are in this kind of condition. The exhaust on it's got a little bitty tiny ding on one of the pipes, but I don't even know where it is. I'd have to look hard for it. The chrome is in really good shape on it. It sounds nice. It's got good sound still. The original OEM reservoir shocks are there, still in its original places there. Kind of walk down the line here and show you. Now there's about 8 coats of clear on this because I buried the graphics underneath the paint there. There's a very, very small line there, if you even can see it. There I am. How you doing? Again, this is all hand sanded down, polished out, and it's just really a very beautiful bike if you're looking for something to take to the vintage bike nights, or just have an original bike for a collection that you put in your home, or have a neat motorcycle collection. This is one of those ones, if you don't even want to ride it, just kind of look at it. It's really beautiful. Anyway, I just want to walk you around this bike. I always try to take you around all the bikes that I build. This isn't a custom one. This is just an OEM original restoration here, appearance restoration. They had these bikes in silver models too, which I thought were pretty neat. The black tended to be the most popular model. So anyway, if you would like to take a little bit more about this bike, and contact me at Grubbsgarage.com. Again, my name's Kevin, and you can reach me at Grubbsgarage.com. If you have any old Honda bikes or gold wings, you guys all know I especially love these old wings. The GL 1100s, the 1200s, the 1000s. So anyway, I guess this is enough walking around it. Try to get as detailed with you as possible. Again, I didn't really not touch anything. Everything was taken apart and either cleaned or repainted or polished. Something to get it back to where it needed to be to make that bike look like it did from the factory. I think it's probably a little nicer maybe, but anyway, thanks again for looking, and we'll talk to you soon.